Here we are showing you how to insert a cartridge in the Reiner 790 MP or 792 MP. You can either put the cartridge in when it's in the home position on the left, or you can move the cartridge carrier to the center by hitting Mode and then Inkjet. Now what's important to see is that there's a little lever here which will click into place when it's at approximately a 45-degree angle. This is what you need to pull into place when the cartridge is inserted. So here we have the cartridge taking off the clip. I'm holding the wing with my thumb and pointer finger, and I'm sliding the cartridge in. It should go in very easily. And now we pull the wing forwards. If the wing isn't forwards and clicked into place, the cartridge will not print. This is what it looks like from all angles. Taking the cartridge out. Put back on.